Today's topic is going to be going over a dynamic porting on the containerized EC2 host. We'll go over our exam question and why some of the answers are right or wrong as we typically do. So go ahead and hang on tight and see what we do today.
All right, let's go ahead and read off the question for this lesson this time. So your company has embraced cloud-native microservice architectures. New applications must be Dockerized and stored in a registry service offered by AWS. The architecture should support dynamic port mapping and support multiple tasks from a single service on the same container instance. All services should run on the same EC2 instance. Which of the following options offers the best solution for this given use case? We have a classic load balancer plus Beanstalk, classic load balancer plus ECS, application load balancer plus ECS, or application load balancer plus Beanstalk. Your best option is going to be an application load balancer plus ECS. Let's take a look at the question of those that don't work for us and why. We have a classic load balancer that does not support dynamic port mapping. This would be the reason why we can't use two of the options there. If you remember, the question did call it that we do have to have dynamic port mapping to the ECS. This would be those instances where you can't use a classic load balancer and eliminates those options. The other one is that Beanstalk itself does not support multiple tasks from the same container. So that won't work when we have to make sure that we're running multiple services on the same container as outlined. So the option that we were looking at is going to be using application load balancer. This is a good choice because support dynamic port mapping for us like we need. And then we're looking at combining it with ECS because it can support more than one service on the same EC2 host. So the combination of these two will solve what we're looking for. So we're looking here, this is a very simple diagram of what you're looking at. You have your users here, and then your application load balancer just to the purple, just to the right. With the application load balancer, you're going to be using your dynamic port mapping between the ECS containers, and then you're going to have your multiple services outlined inside the containers. All right, that's everything for this short lesson. If you have any questions, go ahead and let us know.